Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my fridge organization. So let's go ahead. So let's start with outdoor. So the first is egg, and then water of jug of juice, tomato sauce, ketchup, and here is chili sauce, Mapro rose juice. This is dark soya sauce, vinegar, and this is hing, and this is jams. And here is all types of masalas. This is Kitchen King masala. This one is Pav Bhaji masala, chicken biryani masala, and the last is Pani Puri masala. And here is noodles masala. So we will start with first chef. This is lemon, and then the second one is Amul butter, and then almonds, and it is raisins, dry fruits. This is powdered sugar, and this is snack. In second shelf, we keep leftover food. So now we will come. In third shelf, I keep papads, then pickle, and this is my snacks. And here is all about ginger, chili, see? Ginger, chili and all. And then here is coriander leaves. See, coriander leaves. And now we will come to fruit baskets. So here is tomato, beetroot, carrot, pear, apples. So this is my fruit basket. And now we will come to vegetable baskets. So this is bitter gourd, cauliflower, and this is big chilies and cucumber. This is capsicum and brinjals. I keep my all vegetables in plastic bags. You can see my vegetables. Let's go to freezer. In freezer, I keep ice cream, and this is sweet, and here is milk packets, and this is ice cubes. Even this is ice cubes. Ice twister means we can do like this. And this is milk packets, and even here is ice cubes. Ice cube tray. So this is all about freezer. So friends, if you like my fridge organization, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. and don't